Hey everyone, it's your girl Pharmacy, and I'm here today with another Farm Friends tour. And today we will be visiting with Liz at Everfield Farms here in Hillsborough, North Carolina. And Liz is also a member of the So Green Society, so you can already see we got a pattern of quality here. So let's go ahead and get started. Hello. This is so nice. I love it. I love those earrings.
Thank you. I got those for myself for my birthday.
Those are nice. So introduce yourself real quick and tell everyone how they can find you on social media.
Hey y'all, I am Liz of Everfield Farm, and you can find us online at everfieldfarm.com or on Instagram, everfield_farm.
Yay! And tell us a little bit about your farm. How big is it and what do you grow out here?
We are on 30 acres, combination of pasture and woods. And what we are striving to do is improve the land from the soil up while simultaneously improving community access to ethically produced food.
Awesome. And how long have you been farming?
I have been farming for 1 year.
1 year, so relatively new. What's the one piece of advice you would give to either new farmers or people who are looking to go into farming?
You gotta have plan B, C, D, and E lined up. It's not gonna go right. That's all I know.
Exactly. Plan to be confused. All right.
Yeah. Be confused. You're not gonna be able to find the information you need on the internet.
Or
you're gonna get bad information.
I was gonna say that, or 15 different possible ways to do the same thing.
Exactly, and then you got to figure out like what's right for me.
Exactly.
Yeah. These are our we call them our goater boys, our landscape crew. They just came in for the night.
Oh, look at you with your one horn.
Yeah, he's got a unicorn horn.
It's hard out here in these streets. I get it. So y'all are the goats, huh? The greatest of all time?
That they think so.
Hi. How are you? I have nothing to give you. I know you want something to nibble on.
We're good. We just came in for the night. Look at our big bellies.
They do have big bellies. So what are the names?
This is Maple.
This is Maple. Okay.
And that is Nickel. And then
Maple.
this is Dude.
Oh, hey.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, up in here.
We love attention. This is Boots. And Magic is the one with the unicorn horn. So they're all 1.5 years old. They were born at the same time up the road at Boxcar Farm. So they're castrated males. They're wethers.
So these are all males?
All males, yeah.
So you just going to handle your business right there. There you go. Keep it real. You know, there's no need in holding that in.
I know. It's salty. It tastes good, huh? Yeah, so they come in at night, sleep in the barn, go out during the day and eat.
Oh, you are goats of leisure, huh?
Yeah. They got it good. They keep you on your toes.
Goats are entertaining.
They are.
Because they do what they want to do.
They give no shits about anything.
They don't. Zero. And
do you fuzzy for winter?
Do you use all 30 of your acres?
Not yet.
Okay.
So we use the goats to clear the fence line, sort of around the barn, into the woods, and right now in the summertime I put my pigs in the woods because they need shade. It's hot in North Carolina, July, August, September, so but no, we're not using it all yet, and that's part of what we're trying to do is figure out what makes sense and how we want to use it. So
can you repeat what you just said about why you chose this location?
Yeah, so when we knew we wanted to leave the suburbs, it was because we felt like there wasn't enough financial and racial diversity to be a healthy environment for our kids. It wasn't representative of what the real world is like.
So you're actively teaching them about racism and oppression and...
Yeah, I think in school it's a shame. I think when I was in school, we learned about Jim Crow, Martin Luther King. We learned about these things like they were part of the past. And You know, I'm not perfect. I haven't always taught these things to my kids,
Mm-hmm.
but now I'm very much of the understanding that these are not historical problems. These
Yeah.
are everyday active problems that we can make a difference.
Yeah.
And so,
And that the conversation's much bigger than Martin Luther King.
much bigger.
Yeah.
We would like to do more, even maybe just do like land shares.
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
folks.
Yeah. Look at this.
So this was our summer. The summer has been frosted now.
Uh-huh.
So
Look
it's
at all.
eggplants.
So you're waiting on these, or this
No,
is the
they're-
remnants
This
of?
is what's left. I mean,
Yeah.
they're still good, but all the foliage got frosted this week.
Yeah.
Same with the tomatoes.
Look at all those
This was my
tomatoes.
sauce tomato bed,
Okay.
and it was kind of a spectacular failure of infrastructure.
A spectacular failure. Do tell.
So we did plastic step-in posts with Hortonova,
Mm-hmm.
horizontal like Hortonova, and the plastic just can't
It didn't.
support it. It was
Okay.
just too heavy. And
Okay.
even my zinnias, I did the same setup for my zinnias, and even they collapsed it with no fruit. So it just, where you can see like this was a much heavier duty setup, T-post, conduit,
Yeah.
and it was able to hold a ton of weight.
So you used. Okay. I'm looking at the material you used.
Yeah, so it's a 8-foot T-post with a PVC tee, and then these little clamp things that you get right with the conduit, right?
Mhm.
That's the same part of the store, and then we just weave the Hortonova through as we set them up.
Mm-hmm.
And that was our strongest trellis, and it worked well. And now we know next year, though. So you can see here, we tried doing string,
Okay.
like a jute, like a natural fiber, and it couldn't.
I'm gonna be eating tomatoes.
Do
I
it.
just want you to know
Take
that
as many as you want.
there is no way I'm gonna be here.
I don't know.
That's not ready. Oh,
These
come
are
on.
the best ones. These little orange
You know I
ones.
love purple. So are you pulling this?
The tomatoes? Yeah, they're done. But I'm glad I didn't just rip them out, because I like to push my limits with my vegetables, with my gardening, and see what they can take, you know?
Yeah.
How long they can withstand, and how, I mean, they're still producing, and it's November, like, oh, I was FedEx stuff. You know, so we've got the other system, because we did 4 sets of cherry tomatoes.
Okay.
These are all cherry varieties. And then we did the Roa sauce tomatoes.
What's this little? This is a cherry?
Yeah, that's a yellow pear.
I've never had a yellow pear tomato before.
They do well. I don't like the texture as much. I think they tend to get mushy easier.
It's more eggplanty-ish
They're good, though.
on the inside. Yeah, I like it.
And then, so this was our like heirloom beds. And you see, I got lots of tomatoes growing on the ground because
Oh my gosh.
trellis some with that. Because I don't want to use plastic. And if they just
Too much
as soon as
weight.
they started getting fruit, they just, yeah. So we kind of just cut our losses with
So
that.
what do you do with all these tomatoes? I know you have your CSA, and you sell at the farmers market.
No,
Oh,
we
no,
don't sell at
okay.
the farmer's market.
Well, because it hasn't been a thing.
Yeah, we sell to the little school. Our farmer's market in town is not open. So we sell to the little school where they do like a communal CSA with like a couple different farms.
Mm-hmm.
And they basically just buy what we have ready, so I don't
Okay.
have to plan, which
Okay.
is nice. And then I preserve what I can. We eat what we can. The rest goes to the food pantry or the
Okay.
school.
Okay.
So the school takes donations for their food. Like they're handing out
Mm-hmm.
the lunches and stuff right now,
Mhm.
so they'll take whatever we can give them.
Okay.
This was okra. Got a couple down there still. I'm gonna try and save the seeds from.
That's
why I love
hate, and I know hate is a strong word. I hate okra. I was at Faithful Farms a while back, and he gave me like some raw okra, and I bit into it, and I was hopeful because it was like crunchy. I'm like, oh, and as soon as I said it doesn't have the snot in it, then it happened.
Yeah.
With the okra. You eat
I like
okra?
it fried.
We
She loves okra.
You like fried okra?
Fry it. It's good too, like if you make it in the oven, you could just do like a roasted like okra fry.
My grandmother loved it, and she would make it, and I would cry.
Because you had to eat it, right?
Because if it was on your plate, at least one serving.
So our dahlias finally bit it. That's the 2 rows of brown. The frost just got them. But they were, up until this week,
they were still hanging in.
Flowering.
This weather is so confusing. Look at it today.
I know. It's messed up.
70 plus degrees in November.
Yep.
We're just having a hard time as a nation committing to anything right now, including a season. We just can't.
So we did like cabbage, broccoli, and stuff over here in the spring.
Okay.
And then this is the burnt section. That's the sweet potatoes.
Okay.
And they got frosted with the frost, but Chris and I started. Let me show you. We started picking up the plastic because tomorrow there's a preschool coming
to harvest them.
and we're gonna dig them up.
Oh, fun!
So we had the landscape fabric on our walkways to keep the weeds down, and so now next time we do this, we're gonna pull that fabric up way sooner because I had to go with the hedge trimmers as he pulled the plastic to get it up.
Yep, it gets down there.
Yeah. But we grew like 6 varieties of sweet potatoes.
Oh, wow.
The pigs and goats are going to eat all this green.
Some of them are purple?
Yeah, we did.
What do you mean purple? There's a purple sweet potato?
There is. Yep.
Why is Baby Doll just telling me this and you haven't shared this information with me? You mean all this time I could have been eating some purple sweet potatoes?
You got it. I'm going to save you some. I got it.
I've never even seen a purple sweet potato.
Yeah.